Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always rate my trade setup and my trade pair. So today is an episode on my trading in 2025, and I have a clean setup here on XAUSD, which is not actually aligning with my normal trading pattern, which is my day high or day low. So it's just in between the day high and the day low, but it's just towards a kind of a liquidity level, and I'll still show you. So right now I've closed out on the trade. I took the trade and also sent it out to my Telegram channel, as you can see here. So I do plan my trade after 2 hours. So coming back, I have to check the economic calendar and notice that today is a high impact news, PPI news, and PPI is producer price index, which a kind of a statistics or a data that shows the amount or quantity of production in the US. So if you want to know more, you can check your academic calendar like your forex factory or your Facebook. So news fan story finder there. So today, after taking the trade, once I saw the economic calendar and noticed that today is not a good trading day to trade before the news, I have to close out and still have to wait because I have an overall setup and a kind of a daily setup that today I'm trying to take a buy to a level and then take a sell from that level. That's just my trading plan for today. So join me in the chat as I break down the trade I have today, and I will show you the reason why I have to exit the trade that I recently took, and also tell my Telegram channel to exit. So if you also want to see content like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our updates, and make sure you comment your thoughts on trading before the PPI news. So join me in the chat. Let's see what we have there. Okay, so here is it. This is when I sent out the signal. If you check, is the time 6:52. Can you see that? So 6:52, I sent out this signal that they should buy from the zone. Can you see that mark? So as I was sending the signal, I also took the trade myself on my account, personal account. So coming to the charts right now, price from that hour zone just dropped a little, and ordinarily I would love to add more position around there, but I was like, since I've entered my full margin around there, because I thought this might just snipe and leave. So if I had the intention of like this thing might come down, and I will plan on adding position inside my SL area, and by this time I should have even been in the same profit I will be from here to here. So that should have been my second alternative, but I didn't expect price to just play much inside our SL zone. So that was it. So today, coming to the chart, I also saw that from the economic calendar that today is CPI. Sorry, it's PPI. Can you see that? So PPI is producer price index, which measures the production rate in the US. So that aside, and there was another thing that was on my mind in terms of combining both fundamental and technical analysis, which is there is fire in LA, I think Los Angeles in the US. So that fire incident around that area. Now I'm thinking of what will likely be the impact of the fire incident in the US. So I remember that gold as a metal is like a safe asset, whereby investors tend to move their money to a safe asset like gold, silver, or metals. I remember that gold is a metal. So I was now trying to kind of relate this incident, like it's like a fundamental now. What will likely be the impact on the price of gold? And for me, I see it as gold will likely buy. But if investors have alternative like Bitcoin, then and Bitcoin is probably going towards a bull run, then there is high chances that gold will either consolidate or sell, or just remain in kind of a steady state in just a range whereby Bitcoin will then pump, because Bitcoin has more return on investment than gold, but gold is more safer to Bitcoin. So that's just my analysis in terms of fundamentals. So I'm trying to combine it to my technical analysis. And now if you check my overview, like my other second chart, whereby I do a kind of a wide analysis on XAUSD2. So I noticed that market has already made a good push from here. Can see that price has already made a good push, sweeping liquidity to the upside, to the upside, to the upside. And right now, market made a retracement, like to a lower level, somewhere around there. I'm making the retracement instead of price to end up stopping around here, or at most grabbing liquidity around this area. Price went as low as taking out liquidity at this area, and for me, price has already swept liquidity here, and it's likely that market is changing trend, like it's like a change of character somehow. So with this kind of change of character, price is likely going to tap into this my point of interest around this area and then sell. That's just it. But if for any reason price invalidates my SL and gets to break this new high, then there is signs that we see price tending towards the upside. So for me right now, I'm seeing it as investors of both gold and Bitcoin will likely go for Bitcoin than gold, and probably it may go to sell. So if gold sells from there, break this low again, then we probably see another sell continuation and sell continuation. And that's just my analysis in terms of fundamentals. So if you like more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you'll be getting updates on my trade and my forecast for next day and next week. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so you miss out on any updates from this channel. So till then, let me also show you a review of my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel, and here is like my second home where I sleep every single day. So I make sure that I update all my Telegram communities and make sure they are too making money. So you go here just to make sure everybody's making money, and that's it. So see you on the next video.